Привет, друзья! Меня зовут Юля. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about demonstrative pronouns. Указательные местоимения. If you don't know how to use это, этот, эти, те, then this video is for you. So we start with pronoun это. If you point to something and you say this is a TV, this is a new computer, this is my apartment, then we use это. Here gender is not important. So let's see. Это дом, this is a house. Это моя машина, this is my car. Это новый телефон. This is a new phone. So here I used masculine, feminine, masculine, singular form. Doesn't important. We used one pronoun это. And also это we use with a plural form. In English it's these are new computers. These are expensive houses. But in Russian we use the same pronoun as for singular form. Это интересные книги. These are interesting books. Это мои друзья. These are my friends. Это твои проблемы. These are your problem. So one more time, if you point to something, plural or singular, one item or several items, feminine, masculine, doesn't matter, you use это. If you want to say that this house is expensive, this cat is big or beautiful, then we need to pay attention to gender, masculine, feminine, neuter, and if it's plural and singular. Firstly, let's have a look at the same pronoun это, but we use it only for, in this case, we use it only for neuter. Это means this, то means that. So, то окно чистое. That window is clean. Это мороженое вкусное. This ice cream is delicious. Это, то, this, that, plus neuter nouns. Этот, тот. Этот, again, means this. Тот means that, but only we use it only with masculine nouns. Тот мужчина высокий. That man is tall. Этот телефон дорогой. This phone is expensive. So you see, in English it's the same, this and that. In Russian, gender plays a very important role. Feminine, if the noun is feminine, это, this, та, that. Та девушка моя сестра. That girl is my sister. Эта квартира большая. This apartment is big. And for plural nouns, gender doesn't play any role. In English, it's these and those. In Russian, эти, these, те, those, plus plural form. For example, те дома большие. Those houses are big. Эти туфли красивые. These shoes are beautiful. So one more time. Эти, те, plus plural. Это, та, feminine. Этот, тот, masculine. Это, то, neuter. Now please take a picture or write down all demonstrative pronouns because, right, we will do some exercises. Time to practice. Here in red I wrote down a quick reminder of demonstrative pronouns, but I hope it won't be very difficult. If you want, you pause the video, you do the exercise by yourself, otherwise let's do it together. And first one. Ручка красная. So what you want to say, this pen is red or this is a red pen? This pen is red. So this is this column. That's why we need to check the gender. Ручка, она. So it will be это or та. Here we don't know it's out of the context, so we don't know what we want to say, this or that. That's why I will write down two options. Это ручка красная, та ручка красная. This pen is red, that pen is red. Та-да-да, дом большой. Which pronoun shall we use? This is a big house or this house is big? This house is big. That's why these pronouns. So gender, masculine. Этот or тот. Этот дом большой, this house is big, тот дом is большой. Тот дом большой, that house is big. Та-да-да, большой дом. Here it's the opposite. Here it's this is a big house. This is a big house. So only one option. Это. So, этот дом большой. This house is big. Это большой дом. This is a big house. Та-да-да, светлая комната. This is a bright room or this room is bright? Ага. This is a bright room. Это светлая комната. So only one option. This is a bright room. Это светлая комната. Тогда ресторан дорогой. This restaurant is expensive. Ресторан он. That's why we use этот or тот. Этот, тот ресторан дорогой. This, that restaurant is expensive. Та-да-да, желтые карандаши. These are yellow pencils or these pencils are yellow? Yes. Это желтые карандаши. Это желтые карандаши. Эти, те карандаши желтые. Карандаши plural, that's why we use эти or те. Та-да-да, люди известные. These people are famous or these are famous people. These people are famous. That's why we need to use these pronouns. Люди plural, so эти, те люди известные. Та-да-да, бассейн большой. Бассейн большой. Этот, тот бассейн большой. This or that swimming pool is big. Та-да-да, интересный фильм. This is an interesting film or this film is interesting. Это интересный фильм. Это интересный фильм. This is an interesting movie. Та-да-да, книга очень скучная. This book is very boring. Та книга очень скучная. Та-да-да, дорогая машина. This is an expensive car. This is an expensive car. So only one option. Это дорогая машина. Та-да-да, платье красное. This dress is red. And платье это оно. So we need to use это or то. Это платье красное. This is a red dress. То платье красное. That dress is red. That's it for today. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. И пока-пока. See you next time.